I'm Peter Bruninger. I'm here in the King Sound Room. Your name is?
My name is Edward Chan.
Hi, Edward.
How are you?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too.
What are you showing in the show?
We are showing our 10th anniversary special edition full range electrostatic speakers. And the way that it does is they have all the bass, the treble, and the mid-range all in one panel.
It's a very coherent sound.
Yes, that surely is. And there's no need for a subwoofer, and you can hear all the bass and the female vocal come in all together and the blend together. Okay, so yeah, and people will like it really much.
Well, it's sounding very realistic, and we have a little bit of music and noodle on in the background. We'll turn it up in just a minute. What's the rest of the system?
The rest of the system are our King's audio production, and we have the power amp and the preamp. And the power amp is 110 volt per channel, and so because there's you need that kind of power to drive our system.
Okay.
So we produce it ourselves. You can use your own, but we prefer to show it to you that how it sounds with our own system all linked together.
And the preamp here, this is yours as well?
The preamps are ours as well. Yeah.
3 inputs. We have a phono stage, and what's the dB of the gain?
67.
67 dB gain. That's going to accommodate most every cartridge on the market today. It's a handsome looking unit. It's got a matte top to it, tubes poke through. What's the US retail on the preamplifier?
The preamp is 4,000 US dollars.
So that's very reasonable. And how about the US retail on the
power amp is 6,000 each.
6,000 each. And the anniversary edition loudspeakers are how much each?
Is 30,000 per pair.
30,000 per pair. So we're looking here at a under $50,000 system.
Yes, correct.
That is can compete with $1 million
$1
systems.
it can compete. Yeah, it's if you compare and you listen side by side, I don't want to say you blow them out, but it will be comparable.
Well, let's turn it up, okay, and do a little bit of listening.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Outstanding clarity and impact for a full range electrostatic system from King. Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
And the preamp, and the power amp is 110 volt per channel, and so because there's you need that kind of power to drive our system.
Okay.
So we produce it ourselves. You can use your own, but we prefer to show it to you that how it sounds with our own system all linked together.
And the preamp here, this is yours as well?
The preamps are ours as well. Yeah.
3 inputs. We have a phono stage, and what's the dB of the gain? I'm Peter Bruninger. I'm here in the King Sound Room. Your name is?
My name is Edward Chan.
Hi, Edward.
How are you?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too.
What are you showing in the show?
We are showing our 10th anniversary special edition full range electrostatic speakers. And the way that it does is they have all the bass, the treble, and the mid-range all in one panel.
It's a very coherent sound.
Yes, that surely is. And
Per pair. So we're looking here at a under $50,000 system.
Yes, correct.
That is can compete with
Oh,
$1 million
$1 million
systems.
it can compete. Yeah, it's if you compare and you listen side by side, I don't want to say blow them out, but it will be comparable.
Well, let's turn it up, okay, and do a little bit of listening.
Sure.
Okay?
Yeah.
Put on the red light. Put on the red light. Put on the red light.
There's no need for a subwoofer, and you can hear all the bass and the female vocal come in all together and blend together. Okay, so yeah, and people will like it really much.
Well, it's sounding very realistic, and we have a little bit of music and noodle on in the background. We'll turn it up in just a minute. What's the rest of the system?
The rest of the system are our King's audio production, and we have the power amp 67.
67 dB gain. That's going to accommodate most every cartridge on the market today. It's a handsome looking unit. It's got a matte top to it, tube spoke through. What's the US retail on the preamplifier?
The preamp is $4,000 US.
So that's very reasonable. And how about the US retail on the
Power
monoblocks
amp is
each?
6,000 each.
6,000 each, and the anniversary edition loudspeakers are how much each?
Is 30,000 per pair.
30,000